Hi, so today we will discuss about how to install Kafka in Windows operating system. So this is the link which I prefer to install Kafka in Windows operating system. If you want, you can use the same. I'll paste link to this description. So when going for this installation, we can install anywhere in Windows, Linux, and Mac. But I'm trying to install the operating system of Windows. So before installing Kafka, you need to verify either Java is installed or not. So in my system already Java is installed. We have already discussed before also how to install Java in Windows. So open CMD and check Java hyphen version. So if you will check, then that Java is showing like 1.8.0.0.371 is installed. Okay, so Java is installed. Now if not installed, then you have to download the JDK, extract this, and then install. Set the environment path in environment variable. If you have Java already installed, then first you have to start this Zookeeper installation. Once this Zookeeper is installed, then we can go for the Kafka. So while we use a Kafka, Zookeeper is a monitoring server which need to be required to run Kafka. So first we have to run this or install the Zookeeper. So this is the link which I have to follow to install the Zookeeper. So you have to download the Zookeeper. So here you can see what is Zookeeper, why need Zookeeper, and how you will download. So here I'm going for this to download latest of Apache Zookeeper. So once it will go for so this is going to the download of Zookeeper, which will be downloaded our downloads folder path. And after that, once your download will happen, then you have to extract this and extract, and then so mostly here they use for this CMD, and then once you have a start, then you have to start this Zookeeper server. So by default port will be the Zookeeper server 2181, so that will be connect. And if you want, you can stop the Zookeeper server with jkserver.sh file. And if you want to start, then we have a jkserver.sh start file. So you have to start that. And if you want to do some of the configuration changes, then there we have a configuration file zookeeper.cfg. So there we have to do the configuration file changes. In the same way, we have to also download this Kafka installation. So how you will install this Kafka? Click on this path link, download this Kafka. And then Kafka is also downloading here. So we need to extract the Kafka and then install. So how you will install the Kafka here? You have to extract this. So they used for this tar and all because of they are using for Linux environment. And then once you extract this file, then you have a server property, Kafka server start.sh and server property. So you can start the server using the following command, and also after the server start, you will have to see this response. So that response will happen this CMD. And then if you want to stop the server, then we have Kafka server stop sh and server.property. So like that we will extract this Kafka and Zookeeper, and we will see these things. So first we have to open this Zookeeper So this is the zookeeper. We need to extract here. Winter extract file. So this zookeeper has been extracted, and here what was the document inside that? So in zookeeper you have a zookeeper config file, so you have to see here in conf. So zookeeper config is there, that if you want you can do the configuration changing. How you will do, see this, if you open here, so this is the configuration file of zookeeper. There you can change all this directory port. So by default 2181 is there, and this is the directory. If you want, you can modify the changes like that. We have one zookeepers, and then inside the bin we have this start server. So jk start.sh. So you need to start.sh. So jk start. jk server.sh. jk server.sh. Yeah, so this is the jk server.sh for window command. And so let's get, if you are using window, you have to click on this window operating system. And so you have to open this pin cmd, and then inside the pin do jk server.sh. Log here. Stop. Stop. Because some error is happening for this JDK. Let's see. You can do the start and stop. jk zookeeper CLI is a command line argument. So there you can see is a connecting or not. And the same way we will go for this Kafka. We need to extract this, and then extract file, and then after that then Kafka will have a Kafka 2.11. Here also we have a config. So this config, we can modify the server properties, consumer property or zookeeper property also. So here you want to see zookeeper property, server property and consumer property. this is the server property of Kafka. Localhost 9092 is default. So if you want, you can modify log server property here. Zookeeper property. So zookeeper properties 2181 is there. So now what we have to do? We have to go for this bin. Inside the bin we have Kafka server start. So click on this. This is the shell scripting. We need to go for the Windows. For Windows, Kafka server start there. So it's not opening. We have to go for the CMD and then Kafka server start. Server.property. Server.property. Server.property was here. This server.property inside. Fix CMD. So Kafka we accepted a started server. So while starting the server, we need to do this. We can start the server by following, and this is for this Linux based. So we will go for the Windows, or we will start to stop the servers and all. Kafka installation. So Kafka installation step by step in window. We'll go here, then we will see some of the steps which will be followed. So how we will download this? Already we have downloaded this all prerequisite as Kafka. So how to install Kafka? So prerequisite download Kafka, download, install the configuration Kafka, starting zookeeper and Kafka, testing the creating this. So they are telling like instead of that default folder, Kafka zookeeper, Kafka store the data separate folder. So you can see Kafka. Kafka. better we will go for this document. So there, because that each step we have seen mostly based on this Linux. So here we have pre-requested download this, then Kafka download. We'll click here, then Kafka will be download Kafka. Source download. Then you have to see this. Now you will derive from this one. After the once you comment set successfully download. Install download and configure the Kafka, then extract and zip, and then data Kafka and Jupyter will be there in this. We'll see this extracted jar file 3.4.1. Inside there will be some data. 3.4.1 src there. Kafka. This also have does not have any data. What to do? Better step by step. Go for this installation.
Hi everyone,
If you want here,